Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about nested loops. Now what a nested loop is basically just when you've got more than one loop within another loop. So let's say we had a while loop. Inside that while loop we could have a for loop, another while loop. It's just a loop inside a loop. Now do forgive me because I've got a cold at the moment and so my voice may not sound brilliant, but I needed to get a video recorded. So anyway, let's get on with it. So let's start with a variable, let's call it loop. And we'll set it equal to false. So it's a boolean variable called loop. Then we'll say while loop equals true. Actually, we'll set it to true by default. While loop equals true. Then we'll say for I in range. And we're going to start at 1 and end at 5. Then what we'll do is print I, because why not? And then outside the for loop, if we say, this is going to look a bit complicated, but don't worry about it, loop equals, and then, okay, what we're going to do is we are going to have to actually say, we're going to have to create a new variable up the top. We're going to have to call this input for now. Let's call it input with an uppercase I equals, and we'll just leave it like that. Now here we'll say input equals input, and then continue, and let's say y/n. So this will basically choose whether or not they want to continue this loop. Then we'll drop down and we'll say if input equals y, loop equals true, and then else loop equals false. And there we go. Now if we hit save and run this, as you'll see, continue, yes, it counts from 1 to 4. It doesn't actually go to 5 because obviously 5 is a stop point, so it doesn't actually reach it. Then let's say no and it will break out. So this is basically just a nested loop. It's really cool. It's quite a short episode, but you can incorporate quite a lot of things with this, which we'll go over in the next coming videos. So thanks for watching this one, everyone, and goodbye.